Batoi Academy demo for coordinator and expert. Greetings, and a warm welcome to Batoi Academy, your premier learning management system dedicated to ushering both organizations and individuals into the future of digital technologies and software development with rapid application development, RAD. Batoi Academy is the catalyst for your continuous journey of knowledge discovery and skill advancement in cutting-edge digital technologies. As an innovative platform tailored for mastering digital technologies and software development with RAD, Batoi Academy ensures efficient program management, enabling you to provide your participants with an optimized learning experience. The platform is designed to orchestrate various educational programs, thereby creating an engaging learning environment that encourages interaction and innovative thinking. Navigating through Batoi Academy, you'll find dynamic roles specifically engineered to address unique needs and responsibilities. The coordinator's role ensures smooth operation and successful navigation of programs, participant management, scheduling, news updates, forums, and certificates within the learning environment, thereby driving a thriving digital technology education program. The expert role parallels the coordinators, taking the mantle of setting submission requirements and appraising participant performances. Our experts in digital technology and RAD-based software development play a key role in ranking participants based on their skills and contributions. This system amplifies the learning experience and fosters healthy competition among individuals aspiring to excel in the digital tech and RAD domains. Logging into Batoi Academy. Let's begin by logging into your Batoi Academy portal. Start by logging into your Batoi account using the URL https://www.batoi.com/login. Navigate to the Organization menu to observe the organizations under your coordination. A comprehensive list of all the organizations you supervise will appear on the My Organizations page. To add a new organization, click on Add Organization, provide the required information, and click Submit. The newly included organization will emerge on the My Organization page, identified by a crown icon. Select View Organization to access the details of the organization. On the Organization Information page, two menus are available: Organization Information and Partnership. Choose the Partnership option to explore the list of partnerships you are eligible to coordinate. Click on the Academy option on the right to enter the Academy Coordinator portal. In the Academy Coordinator dashboard, you'll see the list of programs you are coordinating, alongside upcoming schedules and activities. Navigating the Program Dashboard. The Program Dashboard is your command center for accessing vital program information. Here's how to navigate it. Select the Program Dashboard button for the program you are managing. You land on the Program Dashboard page. Click on the plus icon to uncover the complete program description. Exploring Lessons. The Lessons section unveils the lessons incorporated into your specific program. Here's how to explore it. Venture into the Lesson tab and select All to review all the lessons. You can then select View Lesson to examine a particular lesson along with the participants who have completed it, noting their completion dates and scores in a tabulated format. Working with quizzes. Quizzes are pivotal in measuring participant understanding. To manage quizzes, follow these steps. Select the plus for each participant to review the questions and the corresponding answers. Correct answers will be highlighted with a tick, while incorrect ones will bear a cross. Click on the Next button to advance to the subsequent lesson of the program. For the final lesson, a Previous button will appear at the page's bottom to navigate to the preceding lesson. Setting a schedule. The schedule provides a detailed itinerary of the program. To manage the schedule, look for upcoming schedules in the Upcoming Schedule tab within the Program Dashboard. Select All in the Schedule tab to examine the complete list of schedules. Click on Add Schedule to introduce a new schedule. To schedule a session, click on the plus button under the Upcoming Schedule tab within the Program Dashboard. Provide the title, start date, start time, end date, and end time. You can add extras to the schedule and select the schedule type: online, in-person, or hybrid. For online sessions, specify the online location, URL, and description. For in-person sessions, share the offline location and a description. For hybrid sessions, provide both online and offline locations along with a description. Click Submit to save the schedule. The newly saved schedule will appear in the schedule list. Click View Schedule to examine the schedule in greater detail. Click Edit Schedule, implement the necessary changes, and click Submit to update the changes. Click on Archive Schedule to archive a schedule. Managing Activities. The Activity tab of the Program dashboard displays the latest 4 activities for the program. Click on All to view all activities for the program. Managing Participants. Participants are the driving force of the learning experience, learning lessons, giving tests, and receiving scores based on their performance. To manage participants, select the Participants button in the program dashboard. A list of participants along with their basic details will appear. Click on Add Participant to introduce new participants to the program. 2 options will appear on the screen: Add Participants and Import Participants. Select Add Participants to directly send an invitation to the participants. An Add Participants off canvas will appear. Enter the participant's email address and click Send Invitation. Click on Add More to include more participants on the same page. You can add multiple participants, as allowed by the ACAD Manager, through the Add Participants option. Alternatively, you can import participants directly from an Excel file by choosing the Import Participants option. An Import Participant off canvas will open. Click Download Sample File to see the format used for importing participants from an Excel file. Once downloaded, you can enter the email addresses of multiple participants and upload the file. Select Choose File to pick the file and import it from your local system. Click Import to generate coupons and send an invitation to all the email addresses in the file. Each participant will receive a unique coupon code for logging in and accessing the program. Once a participant accepts the invitation, they will appear on the participants page of the program. As you can see, Batoi Academy is not just a learning platform, it is a launchpad for ambitious individuals ready to take on the digital world. We are committed to fostering a learning environment that empowers individuals with skills in digital technologies and RAD-based software development. This concludes the main features within the program workspace that you, as a coordinator, need to manage for the programs assigned to you. As you embark on this exciting journey of coordinating and enhancing education in cutting-edge digital technologies and RAD software development, please remember we're here to help. Batoi Academy is a vibrant community of learners, educators, and innovators. If you need any assistance or have queries, feel free to reach out to us anytime. Welcome to a future crafted by knowledge and innovation at Batoi Academy.